There's a bunch of reasons why I would recommend these POOLPURE spa filters, replacement filters. This is my Jacuzzi. I know they make it for a bunch of other brands, and I'm super happy with them because A, they're much more reasonable and affordable. B, they come in a 2-pack, so I can just swap them both out at once. And C, they're super easy to clean and they filter my water really nice. And I can't really tell the difference that they're not, original manufacturer filters. So I'm going to take them out. I'm going to clean them off, show you how easy it is, talk about some features, and answer some questions so that you can understand and get them for yourself. So you can see that it works pretty well. It's a little bit dingy now, but I'll show you how easy they are to clean off. So while I'm hosing these off, I'll talk about some of the features. Now, they've got 50 micron filtration, which removes up to 99% of fine particles, including hair, leaves, dust, and sand. The fabric, it has tri-lobal filtration, so it has 3 times the adsorption surface area versus conventional filters. It's got a patented dirt locking technology that traps debris efficiently and releases it easily when rinsing. So just to answer a few questions, is it really compatible with your Jacuzzi hot tub? Yes, I've been using this in my Jacuzzi JXL for a couple of years now. Is it as good as the original manufacturer filter? Absolutely. And I think the fact that it has NSF certification and more than 5 million people use these, I think is proof of that. So I've had these for at least 6 months. They look good as new. I just rinse them off with the hose, every couple weeks. And I've been super happy with these. So I would recommend them for you too.